Good morning. The $1 people in the back, can you hear? Give me a wave. My name's Russell Lowe. I'm here representing Senator Dianne Feinstein. I have a proclamation I'm going to present. I'll read just a quick part of it. I only have 60 seconds. But I also want to say to Ming, my father was one of your company's customers. He took the President Cleveland. He was 13, and he was illegal. Yes. Also, the senator knows that. This is part of the proclamation. Between 1910 and 1940, the immigration station served as the entry point for 1 million people, mostly from Asia, who sought the American dream. Instead, many of these immigrants faced discrimination, quarantine, and grueling interrogations. The restoration of this immigration station ensures that their legacy of sacrifice will educate future generations about the dangers of bigotry and intolerance. As a United States Senator from the state of California, I commend your great good works and wish you all continued success in the years to come. Dianne Feinstein. Thank you very much.